Good up.
Good afternoon!
Good afternoon, guys. Anong oras na? 6:11. Hindi ko alam kung na-close ko yung vlog nung nag-last vlog ako. But today is Tuesday, December 19. Pauwi na si Kuya tsaka si John from Melbourne. And may insert ako munang clips nung tumawag sila Kuya.
I got new stuff. And my shorts.
I love it. You look like so... You look so good. I love...
Dad's angry. Dad's
Wha-
angry at me.
Why?
I got 120.
120 points?
Yeah.
Did you?
He won't talk to me.
Really? Are you done playing?
Yeah.
You look so guapo with your top, Kuya. Where did you get that from? I love it.
House of Gold.
It's Adidas.
Yeah. And then Under Armour shorts.
Let me see. Nice. You look so guapo with that. Look, ask Daddy to take your photo with that one. You look so guapo, Kuya. I love.
He won. He's so angry.
Why he's angry?
Because I did bad.
Did you? I don't think so. Dad said it's not gonna be angry. I talked to Daddy.
Is.
Let me talk to Daddy then.
What you ring your mum for? Tell her not to fucking ring her.
How? What happened, hon?
Can you say?
What's that? What happened? What
Deep
hap-
done week.
See, you make me nervous. Like, why you do that to me? Like,
Dad, not me.
my God.
And you know that one from the Philippines and one from Manila.
Nah, I don't.
Boy from Manila here.
There's one from Manila. Flew there to play?
Yeah,
Flew there just to play for that tournament.
down to Hawaii, and I spoke to them and talked to them and got her on Facebook. She said when you come to Manila, keep in contact with us. We'll take golfing.
Oh, wow. That's good.
I
Oh,
got her on Facebook.
okay. So they just flew to Melbourne just to play on that tournament.
I only got these two.
Wow, Kuya, you're all get up, Kuya. Wow, maybe that's why you play good.
Judy. Mom,
Yeah.
I nearly got a hole in one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Not 18. Really?
Yeah, it was about 1 foot.
Congrats. You look so guapo, Kuya. I like that kind. I like that look. I love it. You look so guapo.
I got 2 birdies
Mm-hmm.
and 1 eagle.
Well done. So who won on that round?
Not me. I'd be coming like.
But at least you play good. That's the good thing. You play good.
Jesse didn't play.
Jesse didn't. Did you ask?
No, but one of his friends from Melbourne played, and he's just as good as him.
As good
he
as.
He had 72, but TJ had 8. He's only 8 shots.
Oh.
He had 4 bad ones on the first 9 and 2 bad ones on the last 9.
But-
and all the rest was perfect.
Oh, that's good,
So that's
Daddy.
good.
That's good. Well done,
What
Dad.
did you get last year? First round.
Sak, stop it, Sak.
98, I think he got last year, so he's 18 shots better than last year already.
Yeah, that's good. That's good,
But
Kuya.
like I said, mate,
Congrats.
usually they play good the first day, not as good the next day. So if you play good again tomorrow, you'll be right up there. So if he plays well. Oh, Jack, what's on?
Show Sak. Look at Kuya. Look at Kuya. So guapo.
He's smiling.
So guapo, Kuya.
Where's Holly?
Oh, here's the baby girl.
There she is,
Oh
my
my
little
god,
girl.
she's holding the controller.
Look at Kuya.
Look at Kuya. Honey, I love that. I love that look, hon. Hon, did you take a photo?
I said, get this one. He's like, no, I said, buddy looks good, mate. Get that. And he did.
It is really good, Kuya. I love that polo. Did you take a photo of him, hon? Bless you.
Well, I'm allowed to have videos or nothing today.
I know you're not allowed because you're a caddy. They told me that if you're a caddy, you're not allowed to take a photo or because Han, remember Jessie? Dad's got told off of that because she's trying to take a video of Jessie and then
Yeah, sure. Wish I could have. He played some wicked shots, like
I know.
TV shots today.
Oh.
Right, like that far.
Mm-hmm.
Like from the net to from the hole.
Yeah.
I need to go home, man.
He said he almost get it one hole, hon.
Yeah, and he got an eagle. He got 3 shots on a par 5.
That's the first time you get an eagle.
Yeah, first time ever.
First time ever, Kuya, you get that eagle.
Look at him, Zach. Look at him.
Look at Kuya.
I've got an eagle before.
I know, mate.
Of course. Kuya, I love that, honey. I love that look, Kuya. You look so guapo, Kuya. I love
Wait, is it a golf shirt?
Zach,
Yes. Yes. He played good.
How much days left?
80.
you got 80, mate. He's only 8 shots over par.
Yeah.
How much more days till you coming?
Tomorrow.
1.
2.
Yeah, tomorrow. They're coming tomorrow.
No? Yeah. You know your God of War account?
Yeah.
I played it.
Kuya, I love that. I love your look, Kuya. Oh my God, I can't believe you look so good with that one.
Other one on my account, and I was up to the when they killed the pig, and then I'm already up to the where he gets the blades of chaos.
Where's Holly?
I can't.
Playing.
Yeah, mate.
Kuya, you look so guapo talaga. Did you talk to the guy?
Yeah.
2.
How old he is? How old he is?
14, 15.
Ah, older than Kuya. Is he nice, Kuya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. He played.
Yeah.
He played good.
He played really good.
He's better than Dad. He is.
Did you bait him?
Yeah.
Are you baiting him, Tay?
So is he in your group? Is he in your group? So how Daddy bump to that girl?
Yeah, because I seen that there was a Filipino come from Manila,
Mm-hmm.
and then we were walking down the green. She was sitting in the buggy, and are you Filipino? Yeah.
Kuya, yes. What's that? Champion?
Huh?
Are you champion?
No, I come 3rd again.
Oh, that's good. At least you get something.
He bet me by 1 shot.
Oh, but it's alright. How's Daddy?
Mad.
Huh? I don't think so.
Yes? He said I should have got 2nd, and he's just won't take
Should have.
takes it.
But at least you got one, Kuya.
Go away. That is my son.
Kuya, my God. You got that runner off.
Wow, yeah.
Who's that?
Holy.
Weirdo.
Baby.
Look at your baby.
Go in bed, Dad.
My baby.
I'll cook you spaghetti, yeah. I'll cook you spaghetti, yeah.
Can I speak?
Yes.
We're not going to be having.
No, tomorrow he can have it. He can have it tomorrow. Kuy.
He had a 7 on a par 3,
Oh my God.
and that was on the front 9. And
Yeah.
I said that one's going to cost you. That will. That will.
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
Sweet, Baba. And
So he had 46 on the front 9,
yeah.
and then he was 5 shots behind that other fella
Mm-hmm.
because he had 46, and then he had a 38 on the back 9.
Oh.
So 1 shot. He missed out with 1 shot. To get the second.
Yeah. Wow. At least only one shot, Daddy. It's alright. It's only one shot.
Yeah, he still should have been second.
Yeah. It's alright, Kuya. I'm so happy you got.
I got 4 birdies.
Wow, today?
Yeah, today, and 3 yesterday.
Wow.
2 yesterday and 1 eagle.
Well done, Kuya. Well done. You done well.
Wow, yeah, good job.
Have you seen that Filipino?
Oh,
Have you seen the
yeah.
Filipino?
Yeah, she wasn't real happy today because the boy lost. What did he get, 3rd?
Yeah,
He
3rd.
got 3rd, so she wasn't real happy today.
The girl, the mother.
Yeah, I talked to her for a couple of seconds.
Yeah. Did you see his dad?
No.
So, yun yung update ni... Akala ko si Jan yung mag-update sa akin. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, update niya ako kung ano yung laro ni Kuya. Pero si Kuya ang nag-update sa akin at nagkutsabaan pa silang mag-ama na, yun nga, na kunwari galit si Daddy, na yun nga, pangit yung laro niya. Nakita nyo naman. So, akala ko talaga galit si Jan. Tapos si Kuya pala ang nagsabi na ganito ang gawin natin kay Mami. Kasi first time ko hindi sumama sa golf kami. First time namin, alam nyo naman yan, every year, pag may golf competition, US Kids golf competition si Kuya sa Melbourne, lagi kami kasama. So first time to, and ayan, yun ang ginawa ni Kuya sa akin. Kaya congratulations Kuya kasi, naka third runner up si Kuya. 5 raw sila sa division, and 1 point lang yung tawag nun, yung naging second place, 1 point lang yung kulang ni Kuya. Tama ba? Basta, lamang lang ng 1 point yung naging second place. Pero ang ganda rin ng laro ni Kuya. And sabi ni Jen, hindi nga pwede sabi ko kasi sa kanya, mag-vlog siya, or mag-picture si Kuya, or video si Kuya. Hindi pwede. Alam ko naman pala yun kasi, nung ako nag-caddy kay Kuya, sinabihan ako na pag caddy ka, hindi ka pwede mag-video, hindi ka pwede mag-picture. So, wala si Jan na picture, wala siyang video ng mga laro ni Kuya. Pero, at least may trophy si Kuya yung uuwi sa atin. And meron ko dito pinapakulang kasi nasunog yung aking ayan, nasunog siya. Nagluto ako ng humba. Nagluto ako ng humba kahapon, pero yung humba okay naman, nakain namin, masarap. Yun yung time na kausap ko si Kuya kahapon na nasusunog na yung aking humba. Siyang nagpatay ng kalan. And, yeah, pauwi na sila. And ito yung aming dinner. Mag-cheese platter lang kami. Sana ako mag-spaghetti. Pero sabi ni Jan, hindi raw sila We don't have salami, no, Baba. Hindi raw sila makakarating sa dinner. Gusto ko sana mag-spaghetti kasi favorite ko yung spaghetti. Yun ang aking pa-welcome kay Kuya. Pa-welcome. And meron tayong cookies from Mers. Subway to guys. Ang sarap ng cookies. And meron pa ako ditong kinu-cool down. Thank you, Mers. Ito yung dapat na gagawin din namin ng party. Kaso sa dami ng pagkain, hindi na namin ito naasikaso. So ngayon ko lang naluto. So yan yung aming dinner. So hindi ko alam kung saan papunta tong vlog natin guys. I-insert ko siguro yung last time na nag-vlog ako kasi hindi naman yung ganong karami. And, ayan, pasensya nyo na marami tayong pink spot dyan. Ito yung binibenta ko rin sa Holy Mom Style, guys, na Korean na solution siya para ma-dry yung pimples nyo. Para siyang Mario Badescu. Pero mas cheaper to kaysa Mario Badescu. Ang ganda niyan. Kung hindi pa kayo nakafollow sa aking live selling guys, nag-live selling ako sa ChonaAndMyKids. Okay, Holy Mom Style, public na ako guys. Hindi na ako nagpa-private. Minsan magpa-private pero nag-live selling na ako sa public. So kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow dyan, follow me kasi nag-live selling na rin ako sa TikTok. So yes, di pa. Kasi matagal ako hindi nag-live selling. 6 months ata. So ayan yung aming pa-dinner. Yan. It's still hot. Just eat the cheese platter first. Makakain na sila ng cookies. How's the cookies? What you gonna say, Tita Mers and Tito Ben?
Thank you. Good. And thank you to the Mers and to the Ben.
Sarap. Subway. Good? The Havarti?
I don't like that cheese.
Which one? Brie?
And that one.
That, ito yung tatlong kinds of cheese na nasa isang pack. Nadikit-dikit siya. Hinati ko lang. Triology.
Who's that?
Oh, very kaya. Sharp. So, meron tayong wafer, jats. Ito yung chips na, what kind of chips is this? Smiths. And this is the spicy cheese. Yung parang sweet chili cheese. And apricot brie, and then triology and Twiggies,
And
oranges, and then Havarti, oranges, and mandarin. Yan ang dinner natin. No, later pa. Tapos na yung mga batang kumain. Pero sabi ko, hindi ko muna siya itatago. Kung gusto pa nila, pwede silang bumalik-balik. And naka 2.5 ata silang cookies. Pero yeah, busog na kami. Dito na sila! Congrats! Congrats, Kuya. Wow, you have the same clothes.
Yeah, times.
Wow, look at my boys. Let me see your, ano, Kuya.
The bridge. That's the bridge. Yeah.
Congrats, yeah.
I'm flying.
Congrats. Can I take your photo here, yeah? Yeah, yeah. Ayan na, ilalagay niya na yung isa pa.
Sit there.
Ayan.
Boy, 1
Point. And eto yung sila ni Daddy, parent and child, sa Sydney. This was last year or this year? This year. Nung April, right? April yan. I know, nice shoes.